Hi there. I just wanted to get you started on your blogs. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. So you can begin by going to office.com. I'm already signed in, so it's just going to take me straight to all of the apps. Outlook is your mailbox, for school email. So click on Outlook, and you should see an email from me. And there it is. So I click on that, and that's going to give me the link to Weebly for Education. It's also going to give me my username and my password to sign in. Oops, focused. Here it is. So if I go down to the email, I see Weebly for Education, education.weebly.com. My sign-in is STP 723. I think that's incorrect, but I'll click on Education Weebly. It takes me here, and I do know that it is STP. I happen to know it's 089. The password for everyone to begin with is Taylor Park, capital T, capital P, 123. And so, let's try that again. STP 098. Password is Taylor Park 123. Okay, so this is the confusing thing. Once you've entered your username and your password as a student, you're going to have to enter it again. So STP 089, and my password is TAYLOR, capital PARK 123, all one word. And STP. Here we go. STP 089. Password is Taylor, PARK 123. And I log in. And that does not work. STP 098. TAYLOR PARK 123. And now we have signed in to Weebly for the first time. The very first thing it's going to prompt you with is to use a subdomain of Weebly. This is kind of difficult to change. Not impossible, but difficult. So I'd really encourage you to give this some thought before you give your site a name. I'm going to go with Crazy Canuck. Let's see if it's... Oh, look at that. It is available. So I'm going to continue there, and that'll be my domain name going forward. It'll be http://crazycanuck.weebly.com. And that is the beginning. Now you'll see as you sign in, it's telling me how to drag and drop things. I know how to do that. That's what I'm doing for you right now. So I'm just going to shut this down, and I'm ready to start giving my site labels and whatnot. Now the first thing I wanted to show you is that there are different themes that you can choose. This is the schoolroom theme, which is the default, but I can go over here and change themes. It's good to look around a little bit at the beginning and see what sorts of themes you might like. You can preview them here. And this is what my theme would look like with that. Don't love that. That's more of a sales site. This is kind of neat. You can these are all online stores. I'm going to do like a blog, essentially. So, but let's look at like personal themes for people. These are all kind of nice. Or if you wanted to do a blog, something like that. That's kind of nice. So let me preview that. It's going to be a big picture at the top, and then probably some pages underneath. I like that one, so I'm going to choose that one for now. So now that I've chosen that theme, it's going to change what it looks like. Change the text here. And this will be, I think I said Crazy Canuck. Okay, and I don't like this image, so I'm going to edit the background here. It's going to give me a bunch of different possibilities. I can add an image, add image. Let me change which image. What looks good for me? Crazy Canuck, maybe a hockey puck, or I kind of like the mountain biking. If I don't like any of these, I can upload an image, which is maybe what I'll see what some of you guys do. Yeah, surfer. That seems like a good one. So I'm going to select that one. Okay, and now I'm just going to show you here. That's good. Let's save that image. All right. So there's Crazy Canuck. Drag elements here. So I can bring a title or I can bring a text. And this is your landing page where everyone who goes to your site is the first thing they're going to see. So I might decide this is like put a little welcome message. This is my Division 3 blog web page. Here you right click on that. Here you will find all my writing for school. Again, you're not going to identify what school you go to, but that's just like a little introduction message. I would strongly encourage you not to talk about yourself, where you live, your name, anything like that. I'll just be, I might say I'm a teacher, but I don't have to. Now, so this is basic. This is my landing page. I still haven't published it yet, but I do want to add a few more pages where I'm going to put work. So I have to go to Pages. I want to add a page, so I hit the plus sign there, and I'm going to add a blog page. You want to add blog pages other than your home page. These will all be blog pages, so you can just easily add to them. So I'm going to add a blog page for reading, and I'm done. I'm going to add a blog page for reflections. Reflections. And I'm done. And then I'm going to add a blog page for writing. And these may change over time, but you can see each time I add a blog page, they appear in my navigation menu at the top of my main page. So if I go back to, there's my picture, there's my little welcome messagette. Now, because I selected blog from my themes, this will actually be sort of like my main theme. So if I wanted to add, so I'll go back to home. Oh, sorry, this is my writing blog page. I haven't done any blog pages, but when I do want to do a new post for writing, I would click on new post here. If I wanted to click on reading and I wanted to do a new post, I'd click on a new post here. My home page, again, is not a blog page. It's a navigation page, so I can put writing in here, but it won't be a blog page. I think that's pretty much it for now. All I wanted you to do was to create a home landing page, and now I can click on this to edit. Life is an adventure, or something like that. All I need you to do for today is to sign into your account and create 3 additional blog pages. You need reading, reflections, and writing. And then when you're done, you'll hit publish. And you will use the subdomain of Weebly. You hit continue. And that's it. You're done for now. Now, anyone who goes to crazycanuck.weebly.com will see my blog page, but if you try to click on it, it's going to prompt you for a password. Presently, I'm not going to let you guys look at each other's websites, not until you've had a chance to finish developing them, but I will lift the password in a while. Anyways, that's all you need to do. Pretty straightforward. Check your email to find your login information and then sign in, and away you go.